What's up YouTube? I am excited, all in one word, and today we're back with another unboxing. Today we're unboxing the Dragon Ball Super card game pack. I bought this one off of Amazon and I hope to start my collection soon, so hopefully this is a good set to start off with. I don't know what we're gonna get in this pack or what's part of the set, but I am gonna be wearing gloves just in case we end up getting something rare. Alright then, let's get started. So that's the front there. Side, the bottom, other side, the back. I guess this would be a back as well. Let's see what's in here. Alright, so it seems like we have a promo card right there. I'm not sure what this is, but these are the packs here. There's nothing else in here. There's more artwork. It's pretty cool looking. Oh, this is really nice looking. Janemba. Zoom in on that real quick. That looks really nice. And this is just a regular back. Alright, so I'll put the ones that I think are pretty cool over on this pile here. I don't know the value of them, but I'll check it out later. And I'll put all the basic ones looking over on this side. Alright, so this is a Frieza pack. Oh, they actually have an easy open. Gohan. May. Android 17. Oh, nice. Wiz. Krillin with the hair. Alright, this one glows a little bit. I don't know how rare this is. And this one's really cool looking, Android 18. I don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah, so it's 6 packs in here. Oh, it's alright. Oh, this is a nice Trunks card. King Piccolo. No back on this one. Alright, so we're already halfway through. We have 3 more. Come on, let's get some good luck here. So hopefully this will be a nice starting spot for my collection. I'm gonna have to look up the value of the cards as well. Yamcha. Whis, Goku, Nappa, Bulma, and Vegeta. Just a basic Vegeta card. Pretty cool. Yeah, Vegeta is one of my favorite characters. And Frieza. Hopefully we can get a Frieza card, like a rare Frieza card, shiny. Oh, we got a Frieza here. Oh, that's some nice art right there. I don't know if that's blurry. And one thing I like about these cards is that they have the full art, so they cover most of the screen. Oh, this is nice. Gotenks. Look how shiny that is. That's pretty cool. Nothing in the back. I think out of all the ones we've pulled so far, this is probably my favorite. That's really nice looking. Alright, and this is the last one. Come on guys, give us some luck here. For some reason I feel like some of these feel a little bit different. There's a pen. It's nice and shiny. And then we have another shiny one right there. Alright, so these were the cards that we pulled. Pretty shiny looking. I don't know how rare they are. I'm gonna have to look into it. That one's nice. This one's my favorite right here. That's really good looking. Vegeta, really cool as well. Remember? Yeah, if only we would have put the Frieza, that would have been awesome. but I really like these. So what I'm gonna do for now is just store them in this box and see what the value is on these or any of these other cards, and then maybe I can have like a little collection going. Yeah, but overall it's a nice looking box. Got a good amount of cards in here. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for me. I want to thank everybody for the massive support on the last video. And if you enjoyed this one, go ahead and give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe.